Ever wondered why pomegranates have been revered as a symbol of health, fertility, and eternal life throughout history? Turns out these ruby red fruits are more than just a pretty face. They pack a powerful nutritional punch, a perfect combination of deliciousness and health benefits. Dive into the world of pomegranates and discover the myriad of ways they can enhance one's health. Unravel the secrets hidden within these tiny, jewel-like seeds that have been celebrated for centuries. Firstly, pomegranates are overflowing with antioxidants. These powerful substances help protect the body from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Antioxidants found in pomegranates, such as punicalagin and punicic acid, are incredibly potent, even more so than those found in green tea and red wine. Secondly, pomegranates are a great source of dietary fiber. A single cup of pomegranate seeds can provide almost a quarter of the daily recommended intake of fiber. This nutrient aids digestion, helps maintain a healthy weight, and can even lower the risk of diabetes and heart disease. Thirdly, these fruits are rich in essential vitamins. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, providing almost 40% of the daily requirement in a single cup. They also contain significant amounts of vitamin K, which plays a vital role in bone health. Fourthly, pomegranates have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of many serious diseases, including heart disease, cancer, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's, and obesity. The antioxidants in pomegranates can help reduce inflammation in the body, thus potentially warding off these diseases. Lastly, pomegranates may improve exercise performance. They are rich in dietary nitrates, which have been shown to enhance physical performance. So, the next time you're looking for a pre-workout snack, consider reaching for a pomegranate. To recap, pomegranates are a nutritional powerhouse. They are brimming with antioxidants, loaded with dietary fiber, packed with essential vitamins, possess anti-inflammatory properties, and can potentially boost exercise performance. It's clear why these fruits have been treasured throughout history. Their benefits are truly timeless. So the next time you pass by a pomegranate in your local grocery store, remember the wealth of health that lies beneath its skin. Indulge in its sweet, tangy taste, and enrich your body with its myriad health benefits. The pomegranate is a testament to the fact that good things often come in small packages.